Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I just got a new rifle in the mail. It's a Weatherby 7mm-08 and I'm super excited because we will be unboxing it right now and then I will finally be able to go hunting. All right, let's take a look what's in the box. So excited. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's a little bit of rust right here, but I knew that. I will have to, hopefully I'll be able to clean it up a bit. Yeah, a little bit of rust on top of the barrel as well. Oh, oops, I just cut through a rag. Oh well, that happens. Yeah, oily tea towels, neat. Okay, all right, that's cool. So, all we gotta do is figure out how the heck to get this thing in. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's nice to have a scope. Yeah. Not supposed to dry fire it, I don't think. Cool. Well, that's a really cool gun. It's not in the greatest condition, but I mean, I didn't need one in the greatest condition. It's just for hunting. So as long as it shoots pretty well, we're in business. It's quite small, quite lightweight, so I like that. It will be good to walk around with it. And then the stock is a good length as well. It's nice to have a scope. Even though the scope is quite basic, yeah, it will be really good to take this thing out hunting. The gun came with some ammo as well. So the ammo that I will be trying out on my first range day will be Sterling Sports Lethal Science of Fusion. Sounds dangerous and strange. And how many grains is this? I think it was 140 grains. Yeah, so this is 140 grains. So I'll take it out to the range with this ammo, give it a shot. Well, give it 20 shots. See how it shoots. If it groups pretty well, then I'll be all set. Now I just need to learn how to take the bolt out. There's this little thingy. What if I press it? Ooh, so if I press the little thingy, if I press the thing here, releases the bolt. I gotta say I didn't know that. But anyway, so let's check the barrel. All right, so the barrel definitely needs a good clean, but doesn't seem like there's any pitting in it, and it's quite shiny, just seems dirty. Yeah. Let's put the bolt back in now. So all we gotta do is just line it up, wiggle it in, and bam. This thing has a really good feel to it. Ah, that light bulb is bright. Sweet. Okay, that's cool. Well, this is it for today. I'm really stoked that I finally got this thing. I'll have to oil it a little bit, clean it, tune it up, take it to the range and sight in, and then hopefully I'll be able to make a hunting video and share it with you guys. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be able to post more firearms related videos and just hunting, fishing, outdoors, hiking, that sort of stuff. So stay tuned, okay? I'll see you next time.